Start by drawing a boxy shape with rounded edges. Next, draw the front window. A rear window comes back. You can also make it a circle. Start drawing the landing skid. First, draw the two legs at a slight angle. Next, draw the skid. Draw a small circle next to the part of the helicopter you already drew. Draw the blades on the tail rotor. Connect it all together. We're almost there, just the top rotor. Lastly, draw the rotor blades. All done, you've learned how to draw a helicopter. The only thing left to do is to color in your drawing.